Oh la la. Down by the river, it's down by the river we go, and it's down to the river we go. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Out of tune. Get it right. Down to the river, it's down to the river we go, and it's down to the river we go. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Down to the river, it's down to the river we go, and it's down to the river we go. La 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Shh. Ramsons, wild garlic. Yeah, it's out fresher than in the Chester ones, eh? A few miles up the road. Red campion. 5 petals, 10 stamens. The river Alyn. Cow's parsley. nettles. Hello. Eagle's feather. Fern. Oh, a sight for sore eyes.
All right.
Yes. You see them stripped off here. Oh yes, look at that. It's naked flesh in the woods in Wales, tut tut. Right, tut tut tut. I'm not going to join that gym now because you have to wear clothes in the sauna. I mean, that's so unhygienic. I'm not going. I really have no idea about hygiene in Britain. This false sense of prudery about wearing clothes. I mean, everywhere else, it's in Germany, it's actually banned to wear clothes because of the unhygienic aspect of it. You sweat, bacteria multiply. So, of course, if you go in a sauna, it's to make your skin sweat, not to wear clothes. Go to some fashion show if you want that. Anyway, that's a shame that I would have liked to join, but I'm not joining any gym that has saunas and steam rooms where you wear clothes. And enough bacteria around. No point in encourage them in a sweaty sauna. No. Oh. End of discussion. I wondered why I hadn't gone yesterday. Well, now I know. I refuse to go unhygienically in a sauna, not allowing the sweat to pour out of me. I mean, you know. If you're ashamed of your body, do something about it. A bunch of fatzos. It's not even about that, is it? It's some false sense of prudery. I mean, you know. Oh la 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 la. As if kids have never seen a dog copulating. Well, probably they haven't. Anyway. Oh, there's no point teaching anyone about the birds and the bees in the country with the highest single-sex birth rate in the bleeding Europe, is it? Oh, I'm talking to myself, sorry.
All right, I have been known to do that rather frequently myself.
Exactly. I was just whinging that I'm not joining the local gym up at Chester because the... Oh, hello, doggy, never mind why. It's a sauna in here. Oh. Yes, I've come here for the shade, or at least to get clean river. Clean
It's a lovely river, isn't it?
Do you know some people swim in that River Dee? I mean, nutcases.
Yeah.
Shut up. Oh, don't worry. Don't worry about her. She's all mouth.
There's lots of youngsters going swimming there.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
They swim here. It's not very deep.
It's not very deep, but this is the bit where they swim, isn't it? When they come.
Right.
Cooper Radish.
Look at those trousers, you mucky pup. Oh, sorry, you are. I'm doing a video. Yeah. We're doing a mice. Not micey pant. Or I got all confused about the one. Luckily, the bills for the £1 fee are not started yet.
Yeah.
So I don't have to worry about it because it was on about apps, and I said, yeah, but what if I haven't got my mobile on? Paying by apps. Oh, for heaven's sake! I said, well, you. Oh, right, I'll get it off him. Falcon. Well, if it's in one piece, I'm afraid. Ah, just a minute. Okay. Falcon, pause, ça. Pause. J'ai dit. Oh, shut up, please. Pause, Falcon, pause. C'est bon. Falcon, pause. Pause. Ça va.
Thank you.
Right,
It's all right.
take it a bit further because I have got a ball. Allez, allez, see you all the best. Bye bye. Viens. Hop. Et la balle. J'ai la balle là. Attends, on va trouver. Oh no, I put it in the car, prat. Allez, let's go and find a stick. On va chercher bâton. Cherche bâton. That's it, he knows where to get one. Allez, on va chercher bâton. Allez, on va chercher bâton. Attends. Je vais te donner. Arrête. Arrête. I'm finding a stick. Here, to the swimming area. Okay, I'll find a stick. What are these? Not acacias trees, those are prickles, but anyway, they're whatever. It looks like the acacia leaf. Right, I need a stick. Of course. Ah, found one. Allez, attention. Cherche bâton. Falcon, fais. Arrête ça, ça va pas, eh. Fais. Well, you prat, if you don't go and get it, I'm not going. Bâton, bâton. Allez. Cherche bâton. Eh, ici. Là-bas. Voilà. Cherche bâton. There it is, you prat. What's the matter with you today? Allez, cherche bâton. Go and get it. Cherche bâton. I said, I'm not getting another one. Fais. Cherche bâton. Dépêche-toi, you can go over the waterfalls if you don't hurry up. Cherche bâton. Oh, they get stuff. Allez, cherche bâton. Well, that'll keep her occupied anyway. You've lost it, you prat. You prat of a dog. Qu'est-ce que t'as? Eh? What's the matter with you? Il est parti le bâton, il est perdu, connasse. Falcon will end up getting it. Allez, va chercher le bâton, il est là-bas, traverse. Allez, traverse. J'ai vu, là-bas. À droite. Voilà, c'est le bâton. Là-bas, à droite. À droite, connasse. Voilà. Il est plate. Cherche le bâton. J'ai vu. Là-bas. Ça y est. That's it. She's seen it. C'est bon. Voilà. Cherche le bâton. Right, we've lost it. Oh, hello, doggy. Flat of a dog. I'm not going in there again. Eh oui, t'as perdu le bâton, connasse. C'est fini, bâton. Fini. Ah. Right. Time to sit in the shade. Look at those roots, eh? Oh la 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 la. They've got a grip, eh? Get stuffed. Right, I'm going to try. Ah, I've seen another one. One more time, eh? You get one go. And if Falcon gets it, allez, cherche. Right, well, go stuff. Get stuffed. Up, litter. No, ignore that. Non, va chercher bâton. Right, she's seen it. Right, she can either get that piece. All right, well, carry on. Well, there's no point looking at it, eh? What is it? This rubbish here. Strawberry laces. Well, plastic, eh? 15 years to disintegrate. Not good. Right, tear that. No, you don't want it. No, ça suffit, eh? Ça suffit. I'm sitting down. Ça suffit. Don't shake in front of me. It never learns. Very clean water, the River Alyn. Where it comes all the way down from Wales. Well, we are in Wales now, I'm coming down from Wales. Voila. You can drink that, no problem. Oh, we've seen a border collie. I knew it wouldn't be long before we saw the black and whites. Oh, she catches. Oh, where's she gone? Ah, disappeared. Oh, it's busy chasing. Feia! Ça suffit. Ça suffit. Oh, they're coming back for more. Oh, are they going in the water? No. Oh dear. Ah, there we go. Missed it as well. Oh, no one's paying attention today. Everyone's missing the balls. Here goes another one. No, they're ignoring that one. What is it today? Vulcan, no humping. Vulcan, no humping. Well, he does understand that.
Go on.
But there we go.
Cross. Go.
Ooh, she's swimming. Oh, do some.
She's over here, she is. Said it's only the second time we let her off the lead.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
She's going looking for you now.
Well, she's not going to go anywhere, is she? I mean, you know.
No, but my golden retriever drowned in there.
No.
Just before Christmas.
In
this river, yeah.
How did she
got trapped under a tree.
Oh gosh,
She
terrible.
was only 3.
Oh, poor
So
animal.
It's made me a nervous wreck.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
It was a fluke, though.
Oh, it was a fluke, yeah, but
Yeah.
it's something I won't get past. I had to watch her drown. I couldn't get to it.
Oh,
Yeah.
how awful.
Then